Portable Applications Guidelines. It is often a good practice to use portable apps for many reasons. I took the following content from portableapps.com website that distributes 400 plus portable applications. Perhaps millions of people use portable apps every month. A portable app is a computer program that does not need to be installed into operating system like traditional apps, so you can carry it with you on a portable device or a cloud drive and use it on any computer. When your USB flash drive, portable hard drive or other portable device is plugged in or your cloud drive is synced, you have access to your software and personal data just as you would on your own PC. And when you unplug the device, none of your personal data is left behind. Here are a few guidelines on how portable apps would behave. A portable app works from any device like USB flash drive, portable hard drive, cloud drive, memory card, etc. A portable app's features continue working as you move computers and even when your drive data changes. A portable app is self-contained in a single directory with subdirectories and files within it. Thus, they are easier to backup and are fully portable. That applications have all their data in the same location. A portable app is optimized for use on removable drives. A portable app does not leave any files, folders, or registry entries behind, except those automatically generated by the operating system. A portable app doesn't require additional software on the computer. A portable app does not interfere with software installed on the computer. Why would you use portable app? Please mention in the comment section below.